We woke up to a changed world. Uncertainty all around us. But even in the face of fear, we find refuge in knowing that our foundation was built to withstand any storm. We take comfort in the familiar rhythms of hard work. There's a peacefulness to the process, creating something from nothing, and doing it the right way. We don't build for today. We build for tomorrow. We build to stand the test of time. But our work is never truly done. When the unexpected happens, we adapt and improvise and evolve. Our calloused hands prove that we will never, ever quit. And there will come a time when we can step back, look at what we've made, take pride in our handiwork. What we've built will endure, and so will